Here's a super cute card I made for the last episode of the Great North American Stampin' Show. I used the party banners dies to make a creation that included a banner. So what I did is I used a card base and then added a little miniature card on top made with the party banners. Now look how I cut it off of the fold so that then it wouldn't cut through the paper, and it made it into a folded card. And so I just adhered this little folded card onto my card base, and it turned out super, super cute. Now I'm using the Turtley Cute stamp set for this because, or actually the paper for this, because I don't own the stamp set, but I think these turtles are so much fun that I bought the paper. And so all you have to do is just trim out the little images, and I used those to make a birthday card today. Look how fun they are. So I added a little bit of shadowing underneath them here, and then I used the Simply Said stamp set to add a greeting, which I put on the inside of the pennant. I think the whole thing turned out so cute. So you can go to my madetocreatewithlisa.com website and find all the details for this. I'd love to have you join me on Thursdays, 4 p.m. Pacific time on YouTube is when we do the Great North American Stampin' Show, and it's just tons of fun. So again, all links and everything, you can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and search for pennant, and this will be on there. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll be back soon with more ideas.